How to fix Instagram story music not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for Instagram. Move into this application. So right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date. So it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on Instagram. So in this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is updated, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application Instagram and then head over to it. Move into stories and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the stories of this application. So tap on clear cache and then tap on clear stories. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is, you can uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Instagram story music not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.